Welcome to the new chapter of EC Learning, powered by Elegance Central. Please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and also enable the bell button to get the recent notifications.
According to SCRT syllabus, there are 7 lessons in the English reader of first standard. Let us see how much knowledge a student should achieve from each lesson. Unit 1, 2 Ants. In this unit, the students acquire the following abilities: enjoys a simple story, comprehends songs and sings rhythmically with actions, describes picture orally, counts numbers up to 5, differentiates size and position of objects, identifies and responds to questions with what, who, and when. The student should at least familiarize the words like and, big, small, happy, sad, up, down, seesaw, park, swing, play, etc. Unit 2, Me Too. In this unit, the student enjoys simple story, understands one's own abilities and disabilities, counts numbers up to 10, identifies the names of different birds and their young ones. The student should get at least the words like hen, duckling, chick, swim, butterfly, worm, egg, etc. Unit 3, The Fat Cat. In this unit, the student achieves love towards pets, follows instructions and acts accordingly, describes pictures orally. Unit 4, 3 Kittens. In this unit, the student enjoys a simple story on creatures around us, gets the concept of colors, describes pictures using appropriate vocabulary. The student also learns words like in, on, into, etc. to denote position. Unit 5, The Baby Elephant. The teacher develops the need of having self-esteem and confidence, develops the idea of friendship, develops vocabulary related to body parts of animals. Unit 6, My Dream Bicycle. In this unit, the children should get the idea of family relationships. He also should get the knowledge of parts of vehicles like bicycle and days in a week. Unit 7, Saira's Day Out. In this unit, the children should achieve love towards disabled children, learns to describe a scene, learns to add more lines.
Please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and also enable the bell button to get the recent notifications.